Thank you all for coming here. Thank you for Desert Nomads for arranging all this. Amazing to be here. We do mainly envelope for buildings, so walls, facade, roofing, skylight system, and so on. Part of our initiatives are part of our what we really do. It embedded is trying to be committed to United Nations Sustainability Development Goals. So we are here to clean up the desert. And this is not only clean up day for us, because only just a couple of hours of picking up some plastic. It's a declaration of our commitments, keeping our community safe, environment safe, and have a better future. So thank you for Desert Nomads for arranging this, and thank you for coming.